Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen IDBuzz Cargo Commerce finished in Starlight blue. It is fully electric with automatic transmission, offering smooth, quiet and efficient performance with low running costs of around just 6 pence per mile. An 11 kilowatt AC onboard charger and a Mode 3 Type 232 amp charging cable provide convenient charging at home, work or on the move. The exterior features power-adjustable heated and folding mirrors, while LED headlamps with automatic control provide excellent visibility in changing conditions. Front and rear parking sensors also add extra confidence when manoeuvring in busy areas. Designed for practical day-to-day use, you can access the load area through the rear wing doors or dual side sliding doors. There are lashing rings and a useful storage compartment within the side door steps, which provides a convenient place for items such as your vehicle charging cable. Inside the cab, heated seats and electronically controlled air conditioning provide comfort throughout the year. You'll find plenty of storage throughout the cab, as well as USB-C ports and a wireless device charging pad to keep you connected on the move. The multifunction, leather-wrapped steering wheel keeps essential controls close at hand, while cruise control helps to make longer journeys more relaxed. Technology includes DAB digital radio reception, a Bluetooth mobile phone interface, and Volkswagen App Connect including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration for navigation, calls and media on the move. From the screen you can also view vehicle and driving information, adjust your climate controls, make the most of your parking sensors whilst manoeuvring, and much more. This has been a presentation of the IDBuzz Cargo Commerce that is now available to purchase from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team.